So, Kai, thank you so much for allowing us to interview you today.
Yes, of course.
And first of all, congratulations, and of course, being with Bells, Hearts and Bells, also during their event. Can you tell us like a brief background how that endorsement or this guesting is actually was handed to you? Also.
Well, I was invited to be here because they were the ones who actually made my cake for my
Oh.
first 18th birthday for my debut. So syempre, to balik that gratitude of theirs, I wanted to show up, to show my support as well. Kasi I just found out today that they have been running this business for 14 years. And they have been so low key about it, but their business has been running very smooth. So I love that they're not very showy, very flashy with their
Not too
achievements.
commercial.
Yes. So ayun, nagustuhan ko yun sa kanilang business. So I gladly appeared here.
Alright. And since you mentioned that it was already like your 18th birthday,
Yes.
what kind of accomplishments have you had in the recent years that you're very very proud of?
Wow. Well, my life has basically changed very recently lang din after I entered Kuya's house, yes. But I would say my biggest achievement so far is being able to push through. I know it's not exactly a title that I achieved, but sa lahat ng pinagdaanan ko, I'm so glad that I'm still here pushing through. I could say my first album, my first album launching, and my first MMK. But iba pa din kasi sa lahat ng yun, kinaya ko pang to push through it, basically. And kaya ko pang i-up ng isa pang level o kaya a couple more levels to that. And I'm glad that even after everything I've been through right now, I'm still able to say na I'm still ready for more. So yeah.
Aside from this particular brand, yung Hearts and Bells,
Yeah.
meron ka pang other brands na you've got the chance to also endorse.
Yes.
Now, how does that feel na parang out of a lot of stars in Star Magic's stable, and parang ikaw yung most of the time ay kinukuhang endorser?
Well, syempre nakakataba sa puso. Kasi, as I said kanina, bago lang ako sa industriya nito. However, it is something I've always dreamt of being in. So, to be chosen, to be acknowledged, I feel validated that they chose me as an endorser to stand for their brands. And siguro, hindi naman siya bad na pressure. It's a good type of pressure kasi mas na-encourage akong pagbutihin pa ang ano pang gagawin ko o kaya my behavior and just how I am as a person. Kasi syempre, I'm 18 years old pa lang. And I have many more things to learn in life. And I'm taking these brands, I'm accepting them with, with carefully. Kasi hindi naman sa I'll accept them kasi it's a brand. I need to know that I stand by their vision, mission, ganun. At nag-a-align ang kanilang, what do you call this? Their brand name to my brand as well. So, I'm very thankful. Until now, super grateful, unbelievable na ako yung pinipick nila. Kasi, as you said, sa dami-dami ng
Yes.
mga stars sa ABS-CBN and Star Magic, it's an honor na I'm one of the names that are being chosen from.
Pero after TVB ba, na-expect mo pa na ganito paglabas? Kahit hindi mo nakuha yung parang big winner.
Has this been like
Oo.
part of your dream?
Honestly, did I expect any of this to happen? No. But did I think it was gonna happen to me? I always felt as if it was going to. I just didn't know how or paano siya magiging reality. Kasi I just daydream about it before. And then, suddenly, I'm living that daydream. So, after PBB, hindi ko talaga in-expect, honestly. After PBB, I planned to keep singing, keep doing what I did. And I simply did that. I'm glad na iba na yung take ng tao sa akin now, na parang, we see more potential pala in you, ganyan. Even if I did not get the title, which I don't think naman is important, in my case, from now, kasi iba na yung goal ko now. At mas malaki na ang gusto kong ma-achieve. And, ayun, so, binabuild ko lang yung sarili ko at pinapractice ko pa lang yung sarili ko to be able to achieve that goal. So, yeah.
Can I ask you something? Of course, ang dami mong nakukuha ng endorsements. But this is as a single artist na hindi kasama yung parang pinapera sa'yo mga love teams mo. Does that make you even more like happier because you don't conform to like the previous
The love
formulas na kailangan may love team muna, ganun. But you as a single star, you're already enough or you're already the best one to represent brands.
I guess when it comes to that, I really don't see anything wrong naman with being in a love team or being associated with someone in order to achieve something. But as what you said, I've earned and gained these endorsements and blessings alone. Pero I don't think naman na ginawa ko siyang mag-isa. Yes, I'm being showed alone. I'm being endorsed as just Kai Mantinola. But sa akin kasi, I may not have a love team, but meron naman akong team behind Kai Montinola. And for me, whether I have a love team or not, kakayod pa din ako kahit mag-isa ako. Whether I'm fine with being in a love team, kakayod pa din ako, but without it, I will still work hard for what I want to be. Kasi in the end of the day, pangarap ko to. At kung nagpapangarap man yung ka-love team ko, edi mas okay yun. Kung hindi man, edi trabaho. Gagawin ko lang yung trabaho ko, anong pinapagawa sa akin. At least, sa akin pa din mapupunta yung, what do you call this? At least I did my job, you know? And I'm thankful that they trust me as a soloist to stand up for their brands and for them. Kaya, I'm just trying to protect that. Protect that trust they've instilled in me. And sana it will grow more pa in the future.
Okay. How does your family react to this phase?
Siguro, just like me din, they also daydream about it. Na parang, I remember kasi, kumakain kami dun sa isang resto before. My mom was like, you know what? You're gonna be in that billboard next time. You're gonna have a chicken billboard din. Sabi ko, yeah, but I didn't really think of it, you know? I don't know how to get there or ganyan. So parang, alam ko din that my parents see potential in me and that they can see me as an artist dito din. So, hindi sila masyadong na-surprise na, okay, yan ginagawa ni Kai. Kasi, I've always been doing that ever since I was a kid. Pero siguro, na-surpresa sila sa tanggap ng tao. Na sobrang pagmamahal ng tao. To the point where they would give so much gifts and alay a lot of words for me na parang it's touching na nga you know. So, siguro nagulat sila dun sa aspect na yun. But they're very positive about it naman.
There are also some talks. Of course, part of what you have right now is because of PBB.
Yeah.
There are talks that there's going to be something like an all-star PBB of some sorts. Would you be open for that? And if ever you get accepted for that, would you be keen on doing it?
Actually, if ever it does happen, syempre, I'm all in for it. Kasi PBB, I entered PBB, yes, kasi it's a bridge to being the person I want to be, which is an artist. But I also joined PBB kasi I'm super competitive. As in, gusto ko yung mga games na yan, gusto mga tasks na yan. And I like to win. So, my determination when it comes to PBB, I'm all in. Tapos all-stars pa. Grabe naman yan. Mga Big Four versus Big Four, no?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Siguro, ako, I'm game naman. Depende sa ka-Big Four ko if, team up, no? Wala, interesting. You got me thinking. Yeah.
Siguro, for now, since yun nga, patuloy kang minamahal ng tao, may pressure na ba sa pag-accept ng project or kailangan ba masyado mo nang pipiliin yung mga future projects mo,
Or the
endorsements,
Star
oo.
Magic do that for you
Oo.
automatically.
Siguro, my team and I kasi, and including Star Magic, the management, we're very collaborative. They'd never let me do anything that I wouldn't want to do. And ako naman, I'm not super picky, but I'm not super super available for everything because there will be certain things that are meant for me and there are also things that aren't meant for me. So it's just we just talk about it. If this is okay for my career, will this help me in any way? Or what will I gain from this basically? And if it's a new thing naman, why not naman, diba? At least I tried. Yun talaga sinasabi ni Kuya Eric, my manager. Lagi niyang sinasabi sa akin, just try. There's no harm in trying. And sabi ko, oo nga. Kaya nagka-Cinemalaya ako, nagka-MMK ako because he told me that, there's no harm in trying. So I tried. And ayun, napunta sa akin yung mga ganun. So I'm just
Can
very...
you tell us more about those projects? Cinema.
Yeah, basically, oh my gosh, I remember Kuya Eric told me, may GC kasi kami, sabi, Kay, mag-go-see ka. For Cinemalaya to, ha? So parang, wait lang, ha? Wait lang.
Parang kalalabas-labas mo pa lang ba nun?
Kaya nga, mga ano pa yun, mga last year? So, wait lang po, ha? Wait lang. Ang fast. So I was like, Kuya Eric, I don't think I'm not confident pa. Yes, I can see myself act. However, I haven't had enough experience to put myself in a go-see for Cinemalaya. So, sabi niya, okay lang. Just do your best. But I really remember he said, just try. There's no hurt. Trying won't do you any harm. Sabi ko, okay, at least ginawa ko, diba? At least I tried. So I went to the go-see for Cinemalaya. And they basically told me like the synopsis of like the character that I'm gonna do. So I have no idea about the story, but just the character. So I tried my best to portray that character. Tapos sabi na, can you speak Tagalog? So I was like, okay. It's not a weakness naman. Nakakaintindi ako, nakakapagsalita ako. It's just there are really times where parang kapag natitense ako, nabubulol ako sa Tagalog. So ginawa ko talaga yung best ko dun. And I got a call months later. Sabi ni Kuya Eric, magsisinemalaya ka. So ko, what? Ano? Parang ang weird kasi I really thought na I wasn't as good as I thought I was. But I'm glad for my team kasi they made me realize na, Kai, if you can't do it, at least you did it. And siguro I should keep believing in myself. It's quite ironic how people think that, oh, you're so confident, Kai. How are you so like this? But then I also have self-doubt and I also doubt myself sometimes. Pero it's just nice to hear na, grabe, self-doubt talaga, na dapat ka confident talaga sa sarili mo palagi. So, ayun.
So, alin na nauna? Yung MMK or Cinemalaya?
Nauna yung Cinemalaya actually. So, I did Cinemalaya mga early this year. Pero, that was for a supporting role. Kuya JM will be there. Siya yung bida doon. Yung MMK is my first lead role. So, dun din, parang first Cinemalaya, tapos next MMK, tapos lead role. Kaya sabi ko, Kuya Eric, what? Wait lang ha? Wait lang po. Kasi nung Cinemalaya, accept ko pa kasi supporting role. Yung MMK na lead role, sabi ko, wait lang. wala pa nga akong my own teleserye or whatever, tas nag-MMK na ako. Kasi MMK is a big deal. Everyone, it's a household TV show. Everyone knows MMK. So syempre it's iconic and I would want to perform well sa MMK. So when I found out that I was gonna do MMK, syempre nagulat ako at first. But as I got to learn my character, as I got to know who I was gonna be working with, parang I was like, okay, I'll be able to do this. I'll get through this, and hopefully this will be a lesson for me in the near future as well for more projects to come. So I'm glad I experienced that.
Are you currently in the works of doing other projects aside from those?
Definitely. Definitely. Magkakaroon naman talaga yan. And abangan na lang. What's to come. Yeah.
Bawal pa.
Bawal pa.
But that's nice to know na people have something to look forward to
Yes.
As far as your projects.
Yes.
Do you have any message for your fans and those that have supported you in the past few years?
Yeah. Well, as I always say, guys, sa mga nagsusuporta sa akin, before pa lang nung nagsisimula ako, and sa mga supporters ko na nakuha ko along the way of my career now, thank you so much. Kasi not everyone gets the privilege to be seen, to be acknowledged, and to be loved. Not everyone really gets that privilege. And I'm so glad to be one of those people to not only be loved, to be appreciated as well for the things that I enjoy doing. When I sing, they laugh, they smile, they love doing it. They even request for it. I'm glad that I'm able to share my talent to a bunch of people and that it makes them happy. So thank you so much, really. I will never be tired of saying thank you so much to those people who support me. And I wouldn't really be here. I wouldn't have my blessings if it weren't for their support. So talaga, salamat talaga. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
Really
po.
appreciate it.
Thank you so much, po.